Good morning, son.
Morning, son.
Wait a minute. Gavri's not your son. Gavri is your brother.
Set. Go.
Hey there, everybody. So today my family is coming to visit. So sweet.
My grandma.
Yep.
My grandma here.
Yep, Grandma's gonna come visit. And most of my siblings. So we're gonna have some visitors today. Not for very long because my mom just has a chiropractor appointment in town. But Eloise is super excited. Okay, so we're eating breakfast and this bird came and flew right into our window. And he was struggling and struggling. So my brother decided that he wanted to rescue it and see what happens. Hopefully he's not dead. Gonna see it, Eloise? Okay.
Alright, final chance. Do you not want it inside?
Nope, come on in.
Oh, it's a bird.
It's a bird. Look. Is it alive?
Yep. It was breathing when I picked it up. And it grabbed onto me.
Okay.
Oh, that's so cool.
Wow. It's living. I wonder if it is a baby or if it's just a small breed.
I think it was just small, but I don't know. Kind of just played dead after it smacked the window.
Yeah, it did. Do you see the bird? Yeah, that is a bird.
Probably just embarrassed.
He's like, that's it.
Please tell me no one saw that.
I'd rather play dead than own up to that one.
That's so cool.
It's shaking. Oh. What did we find, Rigby? She's like, I don't know, but I'm gonna help you find it.
Yeah, it looks like a snack to me.
It is cute. It's really starting to perk up. I saw the wing move at one point.
Very gentle.
She might fly away.
Yep. And who's gonna catch it? Rigby or Beyonce?
Yikes.
Boy.
Mm-hmm. It's a bird. Well, was that fun?
Yeah.
Well, wakes up enough, it might try to fly away and hit this side of the glass. Double.
Do we want to let it back outside?
I'd be curious if you put it on the, like the banister area, if it would just fly away from there.
Mm-hmm. Do we want to let it outside?
We can try.
Because eventually it's gonna wake up, and then it's gonna fly, and fly, and fly.
And we don't want him to be stuck in my house
Yep. And,
or get eaten by a cat.
and Beyonce looks really hungry right now.
If I can't eat the dog food, I'm stupid.
Can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Alright, we're gonna let it back outside.
You're gonna see an outdoor cat coming grab it.
Right. Okay.
No, back inside.
Oop. Oh, funny. She likes you, Caleb.
Or it's stuck.
No, because he had her halfway onto the banister. Or the railing. That is too funny.
Quiet. It's just gonna be a minute.
I know, that's what I'm thinking.
Quiet.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh no. Help! He's stuck. Pepper. Shh. There we go. Thanks, John. Yep, now the bird is outside. I think she liked it in here because it's so warm.
Yep. She's blinking like someone who's still not there.
Oh. Yeah, one of the eyes almost looked fogged over.
It might be a little worried about flying right now.
Yeah, that's true.
Because last time it flew, it just stopped.
She moved. Not very far, but that's a good sign. She's like, no, this is my spot. So at least we know she can fly. So Eloise has been all about the loose parts play lately. So we've got lots of loose parts. We've got a bunch of wooden little pieces. We've got the fluffy palms. We've got some flowers. We've got a baggie of mini clothespins. And then, while I was getting ready this morning, she grabbed the water beads because we were playing with those earlier this week. And I think she's trying to make something. What are you making?
This.
Yeah, are you gonna mix it up?
Yeah.
Are you making soup?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like
Oh,
that.
well, we can pretend. How do you pretend to eat it? Can you show me? Good job.
Yes.
Pepper thought you were actually eating something.
Okay.
And Gavri is just laying here watching. He's getting so big. And he was snoring. Good morning, son. Wait a minute. Gavri's not your son. Gavri is your brother.
No, that's my son.
Look at you. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Are you going to give me more smiles, or was that it? Tickle, tickle, tickle. There it is. What a good smile.
But I could smile.
So Eloise has really been enjoying pretending that her toys have been going potty on the pot, which is great because I think that that's been really helping her solidify her potty training. Well, we just had an incident. She just went to go take her crab potty. Can you tell me what happened?
Try to potty get there.
Yeah, did it fall in the toilet?
Yeah.
Oh dear. And we had to wash the crab with soap and wash your hands because it fell in the potty. Yeah. Gotta be careful, don't we? Thank goodness it wasn't a mermaid. That would have been real bad. Are you making lots of noises today? Yeah, was that funny? Oh boy, Eloise.
Grandma here.
Are you so excited?
Big bus.
Yeah, that's Grandma and Grandpa. Are you so excited? Who's here? Who's here? Ooh, those are cute. Nice job.
Gavri. The shovel's been filling up with water.
Hi, Xavier. She was so excited. She saw the bus, and the only person she said was Grandma and Uncle Xavier.
Can I hold her?
You have to go sit down.
Okay. You dumped the water?
Nope, they're in the bucket. Good job. With so many kids in the house, lots of shenanigans take place, especially in the basement.
You want to ride on a hoverboard? No. Ellie, do you want to?
2 points.
That's my job.
That looks slightly dangerous. Eloise, you just got off. Izza, what are you doing? Nothing. Just playing with the hover or with the lava board. Whoa. And super exciting. We are officially in cloth diapers. They just look so cute with a little fluff butt. Don't ya? Don't you look so cute? So sweet. Okay, so while my sister is here, say hi, Olivia. We are going to work on a project that I like having help for. We are tackling Gavri's clothing situation. It looks like a big mess right now, but I understand what's happening with it. So we're just gonna switch out his closet real quick because he is officially in 0 to 3 month clothes. I can't even believe it.